I always get goosebumps when I go to a show. Lights, dancing.
It's like time stops when you get in the building. There's just so much going on and so much to take in.
The production that goes into putting on those 2 hours of live is incredibly complex. At Ticketmaster, when we're working with clients to set up these massive tours or events, having insights and data is invaluable to our client base.
Pre-Lightning, data was kind of everywhere.
We found it difficult to get to the core of issues.
We had kind of overbuilt our instance. We'd try and get aggressive and grab as much data as we can and sometimes frustrate the users.
Even looking up stuff from an agent perspective was siloed in different systems.
We had a lack of coordination of our sales team. A customer would be getting hit by 3 different people from Ticketmaster.
We had this big, tough decision. Do you kind of break it down process by process and build it back up? Or do you do a huge restart? And we were ready to make the conversion from Classic to Lightning.
On the other side of it, we would have better insights and information than we've ever had before.
We did all of the building, testing, training, and communications and launched sales for Lightning within 8 weeks.
The shift has been tectonic.
Now with Lightning, everything is in one place, bringing together the 360-degree view of the client. Reps are way more efficient and effective. Even though the data is the same, we're able to show it in a way that is meaningful for them, and they're able to do their jobs better.
They have incredible capability at their fingertips to get insights about how their business is running.
We now have intelligent homepages. We have dynamic dashboards. It's 1 or 2 clicks and they're getting a global view of their business.
Having the tools that we need to drive innovation in our business has been paramount to our success. Things like artificial intelligence, things like machine learning allow us to ask and answer questions much faster than we ever could have in the history of the company. And Salesforce has been at the center of that as we think about how to more effectively engage and service our clients so that they can create amazing experiences for their fans.